You are welcome to my channel. Please, if you are new here, consider subscribing and click on the notification bell. Here are 5 ways that you can actually make money online in Nigeria. 5 great ways you can make money online in Nigeria. Number 1 is YouTube. You can upload any video, anything on YouTube. Any video on anything, ranging from food to graphic designs, comedy, drama, whatever. You can create a video, upload, and make money. If you get to up to 4,000 view hours and 1,000 subscribers, you are good to go, and you can make money on YouTube. And the good thing about YouTube is it could grow to a full-time business. The second way that you can make money online is on Udemy. Udemy is an online platform that brings teachers and students together. You see, the easiest way to make money on Udemy is to create a course content, a course outline, create a video on that course that you are really good in, and then upload on Udemy. A student who is in need of that will buy not less than $5. So if you have a good number of students buying that course, you make enough money from it. So Udemy is one of the best platforms that can pay you online. The third way you can make money online in Nigeria is through Fiverr. Fiverr is spelled Fiverr. You see, Fiverr is the world's largest marketplace for digital services. How does it work? Visit the website, sign in, and create a profile. Your profile will tell people who you are and the kind of service you can render. And now you can make money through Fiverr by being a video editor if you are good in that. There are a lot of things you can do there. Visit Fiverr, create your profile, and start making money. The fourth way you can make money online is through blogging. Blogging is spelled Blogging. Now, you can really make a lot of money from blogging. How does it work? When you have your own blog, you can sell ebooks, you can sell online courses on your blog, you can even add affiliate marketing. So the easiest way to create a blog is to get the WordPress, go to Play Store, download the WordPress, and follow the procedure. It will not take you much time and just less effort. You start making money, and it will not take the whole day. It's so easy and simple, but it will fetch you a lot of money. So as a Nigerian, you can make money online by blogging. The fifth way to make money online in Nigeria is sell on Jumia. You see, Jumia allows you to create your own shop online, and you can sell your product across Nigeria. This money making opportunity is really good for those that have products to sell. So you can sell it very easy and fast on Jumia. So you can create your online shop and advertise. Jumia will help you advertise, and you sell your product quickly, and then you make your money. And Jumia allow you to sell anything online, anything through their platform. You need to be patient, you need to put in the work, but I assure you that it works. It works, and you will make good money. So you need to be disciplined, you need to be patient, you need to be consistent, especially YouTube, blogging, Udemy, Fiverr. Please, anyone you feel like going into, when you go into, don't think that the first day you create the blog, the first day you create the channel, money will start for raining down. No, it will take maybe 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, depending on your effort. But once you start making money, then it becomes streams of income. See you in our next video. Please don't fail to subscribe. That way we'll be encouraged to give you the best. Thank you, and bye-bye.